Hello YouTube world, it is me, Godiva Empress. Just wanted to share with you guys, I have finally made it to my 2-year mark on YouTube. Woo woo! August 4th made my 2-year mark. Just go ahead and get started because time will go by so fast. I can't believe it's been 2 years. Honestly, it doesn't feel like 2 years to me. It really doesn't. But I guess that's the thing about doing something that you really enjoy. It doesn't feel like work. Well, wait a minute. I'm not gonna say it don't feel like work. It definitely is a whole job. But I enjoy it, which is kind of dope. So it's been a minute since I did a video for all my new YouTubers out there. For all the YouTubers that are out there like me, I want to give you an update on my 2-year YouTube journey. This isn't gonna go into the analytics, the numbers, the money. I'll do another video for that. I haven't gotten to that point yet where I want to share all my analytics and share how much I make a month. Because to me, I haven't reached this certain goal that I'm trying to reach before I go over my analytics and all the details like I've done before on this channel. August 4th made my 2-year mark. I am extremely excited and happy. It's been a journey, but to me, it's not been as bad as other people's journeys or as bad as I thought it was going to be. It wasn't that bad. So a lot of people say in order to be successful and to hit numbers and to start making money, they'll say that you have to post at like 200 videos. I didn't post 200 videos yet. I think I'm at like 100 and I don't even know. I don't know how many videos I posted, but it's not 200 videos yet. Where am I at in the process? So y'all, listen, things that I'm working on right now for my brand. First of all, my logo is done. Oh my God, you guys. Whew. My god sister killed it, okay? It looks so good. I cannot wait to release it. But of course, you know, timing is everything. I'm being very strategic about when I drop things, reveal certain stuff. So that's coming. You can't tell me this logo don't fit me. It was so much fun collabing with her, going back and forth. Her original idea I went for. And then we just tweaked it a little bit. We put colors some places. We had black and white. Like, it's just, fire. I cannot wait till y'all see the logo. It is so bomb. The Godiva Empress logo it's like that. Another thing I told you guys, that Godiva Empress is an LLC. We are official. You know how they say move in silence and you can't tell everybody what you're doing until like after you've done it. I'm an avid believer of this. I don't believe in letting people know my every move. I don't believe in telling people what I'm doing while I'm going through it. It leaves room and it opens doors for people to express negativity or doubt or give their opinions, give their ideas when it's not needed right now. When I need people's opinions, I don't have a problem asking. And with my brand, I'm very sensitive, very touchy. And you guys, I am super proud to say I will be getting another camera. Yeah, I'm super excited. I am upgrading my camera equipment. I will be recording with much more clarity. I will never get rid of this camera though. Everything that I'm pricing, I thought was gonna be more than what it is. I thought my camera was gonna be more expensive. I thought it was more expensive to create a website, even though it's gonna be on the, I would prefer it to be on the pricier side because I don't do no mess. So yeah, I'm so happy to be able to upgrade my equipment, upgrade my recording device. I will not do this without my daughter, AKA my little manager. She's more of a tech guru and she was the one who helped me pick out this camera and got a good deal for it, and certain things I would not be able to do on my own because believe it or not, I'm not tech savvy. I'm very consistent. I can learn anything you teach me and I'm comfortable with that, and I want to kind of stay with it. I don't always do good with change when it comes to technology. I just don't. I'm the researcher. I'm the person that you have to train. My daughter's gonna go camera shopping for me. She don't know it yet. We were supposed to be doing it together, but because of distance, we'll kind of bounce around ideas, and I'll do my research today, go look at different cameras. So I'm super, super stoked about that. That's what I'm doing. So I just wanted to update y'all. This weekend's videos will be this quality. It will be on this camera, but hopefully if I feel like spending money, that's another thing. I really don't want to spend money. I thought the camera was gonna cost like $1,000, $1,500 to get a good camera that I want with the quality that I want. it's not even that much. My daughter was like, "Ma, no, you can get a good camera for $600-700. I was like, for real? And that's all because I haven't had time to sit down and research. I would have found that out, but I have not had time to pause. I don't do impulsive buys with big purchases. That's not me. I have to do the research. But when you have a buyer, because I call my daughter the buyer, and Zay is my son is on my payroll. He does the editing. And matter of fact, he has to do some things today. My son and daughter, they both help me with my channel. I come up with the ideas. My daughter helps with some of the ideas, and a lot of them I have not done yet that she suggested a long time ago. I'm getting to it. This 2-year journey has been absolutely rewarding. I am super excited for what's to come. My new camera, a website, merchandise. All of these things were actually supposed to be done before Virgo season, but I can't rush it. The way I'm set up, I am not rushing anything. Y'all know I'm all about quality, and I'm very particular of how I want certain stuff, so I'm not rushing that. I want to make sure it's done right. Everything associated with my brand so far, I am handpicking. I am very much involved, and I love it. So much of a boss, making my decisions, and everything has to be right. I want to make it right for me, for my brand, and for you guys. I have to represent well. I don't want to give you crap. I won't. Don't even worry about it. I won't. I'm just like beyond like happy and excited to make this thing grow, make it pop. Gosh, like I said, all of these things that I am talking about, the new camera, the website, merch, the goal was to have all of these things done by August 23rd, the start of Virgo season. But I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna push myself. I'm not gonna do it. But I can have this done by my birthday, September 18th, 9/18. It will be done by then. I am looking to do like a big, I don't even know. That is gonna be my birthday gift to myself. I thought about maybe going somewhere. I thought about doing something nice. I told my kids maybe I just wanna be around them. I had so many ideas, and I said, you know what? I don't really want to spend any money. Again, I'm having this money battle. Like, you got it. Do you want to spend it though? You want to keep having more, or do you want to spend it? I don't believe I'm going to go anywhere. I want a really bomb. You know what? I'm not going to tell you what I want. What I want for my birthday is what I'm going to get. It's going to be one of the biggest gifts that I've given to myself ever. Yes, I am ready. Work. All August and half of September, that's what I will be doing. So I am super happy about my 2-year YouTube journey. It has been everything and more. I look forward to it being even more miraculous, even more amazing, full speed ahead. If you are wanting to be a YouTuber or thinking about being a YouTuber, go ahead and start. But just know that it is work. Like I've said in the other YouTube videos, it is work. It is not overnight success. And make sure you love doing it. Because if you don't like doing it, there's not going to be any motivation to sit down and record. There's not going to be motivation to edit videos. You have to be motivated to do it. I will tell you that you have to be ambitious. You have to know what you want. And you have to just enjoy what you're doing. You have to. It's something you like, or it's something that you love. It makes the journey a whole lot better. And like myself, 2 years will go by and you'll be like, huh? 2 years? So that's my 2-year YouTube update. Bye, you guys. I'm out.